Hello everyone. We need Jupyter Notebook to write and run Python programs. To get the Jupyter Notebook, we need to download Anaconda. Before downloading, we need to check minimum system requirements. So the minimum requirements are 8 GB RAM and 1 TB HDD or 256 GB SSD is required. So in order to check whether your system has a minimum requirements or not, first right click on your taskbar, go to Task Manager, then go to Performance, then you will find Memory. In memory you will get 8 GB DDR3. So if your RAM is 8 GB, then it is fine. If not, then if it is minimum than 8 GB, you have to upgrade your system to 8 GB minimum. Then we will go to the disk. So if it is 256 GB or 1 TB HDD, then it is perfectly fine. If the system is minimum, then you have to upgrade to this 256 GB SSD or 1 TB HDD. So once we are done with this check, we have to go to this new browser, search for download Anaconda. So you have to click on the very first link, that is a free download Anaconda. Just scroll down a bit, you will get this download option. This is for the Windows, and you can download for the Windows, then for the MacBook, and for Linux also. So click on this download. So it is getting downloaded. So when it's get downloaded, just click on this, double click, go to downloads and double click on this. Since it's a heavy file, it will take some time. So you will get this license agreement. You have to go through the license agreement and just click on this I agree. Once it is done, then click on next. Then this is your destination folder, then you click on next. Then you have to check all these three. Second one, so it will highlight in red, not recommended, but still you have to add it and then install. Once this is done, the installation part is taking place. So depending on your internet speed and other thing, installation might take around 15 to 20 minutes. So once we are done, we will click on to this next, then again click on this next, then we will click on the finish. So installation is successful. So still it is still loading. One command prompt will open on successful installation. So whether it is installed successfully or not, you have to check from here. Like, just type here to search, just write Anaconda. So at upfront you will get Anaconda prompt, and here you will get Anaconda navigator. So whether now just open this Anaconda navigator. So this is opening. So we will get this. So Anaconda is successfully installed, and here we have this status spell, Anaconda Notebooks, CMD exe prompt, Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Notebook, and here we will use the Jupyter Notebook to run our Python programs. Then we have other PowerShell prompt as well, QL console, Spider. So Anaconda Navigator provides us the environment for programming and other things. Then we have this data lore, IBM Watson Studio Cloud, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Then we have this Glovis, Orange 3, PowerShell, Pycharm Professional, and Rstudio. So Pycharm Professional can also be used to run Python programs similar to Jupyter Notebook. So this way we can install Anaconda Navigator. So thank you for watching.